Hi, this is the OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So let's just launch the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. After that, go to the settings and tap to voice section, then click to voice match, and to activate Hey Google option we should tap once on the switcher. After that, click to next, to more, I agree, next once again, not now. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want to change the voice model, you should click here to retain voice model and repeat just after the assistant the phrases, just to teach assistant to recognize your voice, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.